Hey, I'm Andrew from Peculiar Sawdust. This is what I do. I build laser cut airships for Dungeons and Dragons. Oh, there we go. Yeah. This one's called the Bombard. You can get it at my Etsy store, on my website, peculiarsawdust.com. This is my design. I make them on my machines. You can't get it anyplace but from me. I'm the only one who makes this ship. If you look at it, the top is gridded out for playing D&D or other tabletop games. It's got a nice wide base, it's very stable. It comes in a flat package with all the instructions to build it. You got to build this thing yourself. You're gonna have to glue it together and everything. It takes a little more than an hour, and that's if you know what you're doing. So if you haven't built models before, I don't recommend you start with this. This is a little more advanced. I have some simpler stuff, and we'll show you those later. But right now, if you're interested in being an air pirate, flying an airship, look at that, it's got stairs, it's got a little hook for loading the cannon, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 decks, a little deck out here, just a big, bulky ship. peculiarsawdust.com.